I'm congratulating those who have participated in this grand speech competition. Today is going to held by Campus Institute. So, I don't know, you might just come by yourself to deliver your speech. It doesn't matter that you're coming first or last. It matters how you're delivering your speech. But if you're not able to get this reward, in spite of that, you will get 50 rupees because of your confidence. So, first to come, if you come first, then you will get 50 rupees for your confidence. So who wants to come first? Okay, nice. Can you please clap for us? Did your hands together? Nice. Okay. Next, Sonali, please come on the stage and deliver your speech. Thank you. Please come on the stage.
So, hello ladies and gentlemen. So, firstly, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you all. It's a great honor for me to be a participant of this tremendous speech competition. My today's topic is how to stay motivated. Before starting my topic, I would love to say thanks to Canopus Alice teacher, who have given me this golden and unforgettable opportunity to boost my confidence and build my communication skills and remove my hesitation and fear. One more thing that I want to tell you that I'm not a great English speaker. If I make any mistake while speaking, so please ignore them. Now let me start my topic. So I would like to start my topic with a beautiful sharing. So हौसलों से उड़ान बाकी है, हौसलों से उड़ान बाकी है, जिंदगी के इम्तिहान बाकी हैं। अभी तो लहरों ने आजमाया है हमें, अभी तो लहरों ने आजमाया है हमें, अभी तो पूरा तूफान बाकी है. So let's guys start my topic. So my topic is how to stay motivated. So let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like giving up? Like your dreams are too far away? If yes, so you are a human. So let me tell you how to stay motivated. So motivation is not magic. It's not the sudden burst of energy. It is a single push we give ourselves in a single day. It's waking up and saying, I may be tired, but I will try again. So how do we stay motivated? So there are 5 steps for your motivation and I will tell you. So the first step is, remember your why. Ask yourself, why did I start? When you feel low, you will go back to your reason and let it think about your future, your goals and your career. Because your why clears your future, your career and your goals. If you have the answer of why, it means you have the answer of your future key. So that's why it's very important to get the answer of why. And the second step is set small goals. Don't climb the whole mountain in one step. Just take small steps. Because small steps create our work very easier. But when you will take one step, it will be difficult for you to do that kind of work. So that's why create a small step. Don't climb the whole mountain. And celebrate small victories. And because progress gives energy. So that's why you don't need to climb the whole mountain. Just take small steps. And the third step is surrounding yourself with positively. Be with people who lift you, not limit you. Because when you will lead that people who be you, who lift you, you will be happy in your life. But when you will be that people who limit you, you will not be happy in life. So that's why it's very important to understand who is good for you and who is not good for you. So that's why just be that people who lift you, not limit you. And small, listen, speak that things which brings motivation, not fear. Because motivation is useful for you, not fear. And the fourth step is speak to yourself with kindness. Because guys, you all know that we are the humans. And without fault, we can't do any kind of work. And when we are doing fault, it means we are the learning work. How to do this work, how to do that work. We are learning. With the help of fault, you learn a lot of work. So that's why you don't need to think a lot of things. Because there are lots of people who do fault and think, what I have done, I'm not good, how can I do this? You don't need to think this all kind of thing. Just think, I'm not a devil. It is okay to fall. Because we are the humans and fault is normal for us. So that's why just think, I'm not a devil. It is okay to fall. And Because what matters is rising again. Nothing will happen, so that's why rise again. And motivation lives with forgiveness and fresh starts. So that's why forgive everyone in the world. And let's do fresh starts with us. And the five and the last step is visualize your success. Just close your eyes. See yourself winning. Just feel it and believe it. Because that picture in your mind is more powerful than any obstacle, than any reality. So that's why see yourself always winning. Don't see yourself losing. Just see yourself winning. Because when you will think about it, so that picture is most powerful. You can't even think that. And finally, take action when you don't feel like it. Because action creates momentum and momentum brings motivation. So that's why it is very important to take the action. Because when you will take action, so momentum will come. And the momentum will come, it means motivation is coming. So that's why just take action. Don't say anything. And in conclusion, motivation is not something we find outside. It lives inside you. You will have to understand this. Motivation is not outside. It lives inside you. You will have to understand this. So that's why don't found it outside because it lives inside you. And it gives belief, discipline and passion. So that's why feel it every day. Don't think a lot. And be that and don't wait for motivation to come. Just be one who creates it. So I hope guys my speech is well and thank you so much for listening me and now I would like to raise one case here. So thank you so much for listening me and for this eye contact. Thank you.